What is your problem in English? Listening, speaking, reading, writing, or thinking? Listening. Listening is an art, and if you are master in it, surely you are going to be a great speaker. A good listener is always a good speaker. So, listen English every day, at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. Speaking. We must talk every day in English in order to achieve fluency. So, many people are afraid to speak because they are shy what other people will think if I will make mistakes. Mistakes are very common, so don't worry about mistakes. Just try to express yourself. In the beginning, everybody do mistakes and always try to make new friends who are willing to improve their English as practice with them as much as possible. Reading. Reading is also an art. It's not necessarily if we will read a lot, we will improve faster. If you read 10 pages but you can't learn something new, it's better to read 2 pages and read carefully and do not try to remember, try to understand. Once you understand them, you don't need to remember. Writing. In reading part, you read 2 pages. You have to make 8 to 12 correct grammatical sentence from those 2 pages, and you have to write down in your notebook and read them frequently. Try to remember whole sentences rather than individual word meaning, because if you knew complete sentence, then you can speak it very quickly. Thinking. Thinking is very important part of spoken English, because whatever you can think, you can speak. So, make a habit to think in English. Everything takes time. In the beginning, it will be difficult, but when you will practice and practice, it will be part of your memory, and once it becomes your habit, then English will come naturally from your mouth.